Today, we're taking you inside America's largest Toyota factory, a place where, every single day, cars are built that directly challenge giants like Tesla and BYD. This facility is called Toyota Motor Manufacturing Kentucky, also known as TMMK, the biggest Toyota plant in the world. And it's not just massive in size. What truly makes this place extraordinary is how it works. Imagine this. Every 60 seconds, a brand new Toyota rolls off the line. That means while you're watching the second hand of your clock complete one full circle, another car is already ready for the road. Over 2,000 vehicles every single day, built on a fixed schedule with almost obsessive quality control. This is where models like the ToyotaCamry, RAV4 Hybrid, and LexusES are produced, cars specifically engineered for American roads and American drivers. But here's the real question. Is Toyota quietly preparing to overtake Tesla and BYD in the electric and hybrid race? Because what's happening inside this factory isn't just manufacturing, it's the groundwork for the next automotive shift. So how exactly does Toyota build a car every minute? What technology runs this place? And why could this factory become Toyota's biggest weapon in the EV battle? Let's go inside. At TMMK, producing one car every minute isn't luck, it's precision. Toyota relies on three core principles: lean manufacturing, Kaizen, and just-in-time production. Lean manufacturing means zero waste, no excess parts, no unused time, no unnecessary storage. Everything arrives exactly when it's needed, and only in the quantity required. That's where just-in-time comes in. Parts don't sit around collecting dust. They arrive at the assembly line right before they're installed. This keeps production flowing smoothly without bottlenecks. Then there's Kaizen, a philosophy of continuous improvement. Every day, every section is analyzed. Where is time being lost? How can a task be made safer, faster, or more efficient? Small improvements, repeated daily, are the reason a car leaves this factory every single minute, without chaos, without rushing. Of course, humans alone couldn't achieve this speed. Inside the Kentucky plant, AI and robotics handle the most demanding tasks, especially body assembly and welding. Robots work with microscopic precision, eliminating even millimeter-level errors. But this isn't a robot-only factory. Humans and machines work together. Artificial intelligence constantly monitors the entire line, tracking timing, detecting delays, and inspecting quality in real time. If a part has even the slightest defect, AI flags it instantly. This makes production not just faster, but far more reliable. And Toyota doesn't freeze this system in time. AI gets smarter. Robots become more versatile. Workers are continuously trained on new tech. That's why TMMK isn't just a factory anymore. It's effectively a living laboratory for the future of manufacturing. By the way, if you enjoy real inside stories about technology, factories, and the future of cars, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We break down what others only show on the surface. Now, let's talk about the people behind the machines. More than 8,000 people work inside Toyota's Kentucky plant. Painters, engineers, battery testers, assembly experts. Everyone has a role, and everyone is treated with respect. Toyota strongly believes that happy workers build better cars. New employees aren't thrown straight onto the line. They're trained in safety, teamwork, and technology before touching a machine. The environment is clean, calm, and highly organized. Every worker has full safety gear. Machines are equipped with sensors that immediately detect danger. Health checkups, insurance, rest areas, Toyota invests heavily in worker well-being. Even more impressive, workers are encouraged to share ideas. If someone finds a safer or faster method, Toyota listens and often implements it. That's why many employees stay here for 10 to 15 years. They don't feel like laborers, they feel like contributors. Now comes the most important part. This factory is no longer limited to petrol and hybrid vehicles. It's being redesigned for electric vehicles. Toyota is building flexible assembly lines where petrol, hybrid, and EVs can be produced under the same roof. Prototype EV models are already being tested, quietly, without hype. Toyota doesn't want a rushed EV launch, it wants a perfect one. Special focus areas include battery installation, electric motors, and charging systems. And that brings us to the heart of the EV battle. Toyota no longer wants to depend on outside suppliers. At TMMK, a high-tech battery production section is being prepared. From cell testing to pack assembly, everything will be handled in-house. This gives Toyota full control over quality, safety, and cost. Right now, two battery types are in focus: nickel metal hydride for hybrids, lithium-ion for full EVs. Each battery goes through multiple tests: thermal control, voltage stability, durability. And beyond that, Toyota is betting big on solid-state batteries. These next-generation batteries promise faster charging, longer life, and far greater safety. If plans stay on track, this Kentucky plant could become Toyota's first solid-state EV production hub in the coming years. Toyota isn't trying to catch up, it's trying to leap ahead, starting with batteries. Before any car leaves TMMK, it goes through intense testing. Digital scans check every system: engine, brakes, sensors, electronics. Then the car hits a test track, driven at high speeds, sharp turns, and hard braking. Whether a car is sold in the US or exported overseas, the quality standard is identical. Toyota believes one bad car can destroy trust forever. That's why no shortcuts exist here. Cars like the Camry, RAV4 Hybrid, and LexusES dominate American roads for a reason: reliability. While Tesla focuses on software and futuristic design, Toyota focuses on durability, balance, and trust. And now, with EVs and solid-state batteries entering the picture, Toyota's strategy is clear: slow, strong, unbreakable. The revolution isn't loud. It's happening quietly, one car every minute, inside Toyota's Kentucky factory. And this is only the beginning.